The other way to create a room, to create a space, like I said, we're now going back to that ludicrous little sketch that my salesman has thrown at me. So now I need to draw something freehand. So what we do, we go to our architectural tab again. We click on 2D, 3D walls, and then we can select if we're going to be drawing using the inside wall as our reference, or the middle line of the wall, or the left-hand outside line of the wall. I'm going to stick with right. I'm happy with the 300mm thickness, and we're going to be drawing 3D walls. Perfect. Now, you can draw walls at random thicknesses, wider, thinner, thicker. You can have all sorts of different sort of ingle nooks and niches put in there. You can do lots of different things. Because we've only got a limited amount of time, I'm going to do a simple box, which will be my 8 by 8 room. But obviously there's much more you can do with this than we can cover today. So for now, I'm just going to do 8,000. And I'm not going to draw the fourth wall because I want to be able to have a nice line of sight when I show you what it looks like when we do our 3D views. But we've got a simple 8 square room, which reflects what this idiot has drawn on his sketch. Now he tells me the column. He hasn't exactly told me where the column is, but there is definitely a column. So I can go to my architectural tab again, put on column, tell me it's a 3 by 450 column. So I click OK, and it's around about halfway in, just about here. Perfect. So I've now got a column. And again, if I show you what this is looking like, column is there. Nice and straightforward, nice and easy, 3 clicks, boom, it's done. Okay, other things we can do is we can add those fixtures. So if we go back to the architectural tab, click on fixtures, and then we have the option of inserting a window. We can insert a door, a hole, a niche, and for some reason a goods lift has its own section, which is brilliant. But we're going to put a door at the moment. So click on door, click in here, and we go all these different options. Loads of things to play with, loads of things to choose from. This is an impact traffic double door, I believe. So click OK. I can set my own dimensions for it if I want to. I can set my width on the screen if I prefer doing that. But I'm going to stick with this, and I'm quite happy there. So when I'm happy, I click OK. And I follow the instructions, select point on the external side, which is there, on the internal side. And then all I do is put where I want it to be created. And there we go, got a door. And again, if I just show you, doors there in beautiful 3D as well as 2D. So we're building the picture, and there's a couple of windows as well. So I just go back to my fixtures, same thing, windows, click here to choose, ton of them to choose from, but actually I'm going to stick with my 2-leaf. Happy with that, happy with that. I'm going to get it slightly higher up from the ground. Okay, same thing again, external, internal, and it's there. And then one more for good luck. Fixtures, same as before, so just click OK, saving time, external, internal, and then I go there. Beautiful, perfect. So like I said, there's a whole ton of things that we can do. So I can start adding wall coverings, tiles, stainless steel, splashbacks, things like that. Ceilings, floors. I won't today because I'm aware that time is limited and I want to show you these time-saving features. But obviously we've got more webinars lined up. So stick around if you like what you see here. Obviously get a trial going, but obviously register for the next webinars coming up, and there'll be other things to be able to show you.